Hello, welcome back to another Pen Talk. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for joining me on my exploration of the wide world of pens. And yes, you've seen these three pens recently, but there's always something new to put into a video. A few viewers mentioned to me that the Caliarts wrench works to remove the piston on the T1, and it took me a little bit of effort to find my Caliarts wrench, because when I got these pens I didn't take the wrench out of the box and put it into my tool bin, so I had to find the tins that these were in, and those tins look very similar to the Pen BBS tins, which I have a few of those, and I have a number of pen boxes, so I eventually found actually two wrenches. And as we will see, and what's nice about having an empty T1 is you can use it for demonstration purposes. So we're going to undo the piston, and we'll see that flat area that's in there. And this wrench is a tight fit, but it does fit. And it's nice because you kind of want a tight fit. You don't want a sloppy wrench there. And normally you would turn it counterclockwise to unlock, but this is a reverse thread. So you turn it in this direction and it unscrews the piston assembly. Well, it takes a few turns to unscrew it all, and it comes out. And now you can lubricate the threads here on the piston rod, lubricate that piston, lubricate those two O-rings. I mean, this is well made. I appreciate what they've done here. So this is just a quick video to show, yes, that Caliart wrench does work. It works well, and yes, the pen does come apart easily for cleaning purposes, lubricating purposes, or whatever. So this is the end of this short one-take video. Enjoy your pens. Enjoy your life. Hope you're all staying safe, healthy, and happy. This is the end. Bye until the next video.